Welcome to my channel. In today's recipe we are going to be preparing roasted tomato soup. So easy to make for iftar starter. I prepared this for iftar. So start by preheating your oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Whenever you are going to use the oven, first start by preheating it before you bake, before you cook anything that you want to prepare in the oven. Then after, go ahead and cut the onions. I use 2 red onions, but these can be sweet onions, can be white onions, whichever onions you decided to use. Then get a whole chunk of garlic and cut it on top to expose the garlics inside. Then use 8 to 10 tomatoes and cut them into halves. Kindly subscribe to my channel to help me grow. Like the video and leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about my recipes in the comment section. Once you are done with the tomatoes, transfer them on a baking tray lined with a parchment paper or aluminium foil and spray the tomatoes well. Make sure that the parchment paper covers the baking tray well, such that when the tomatoes release the juice, it does not get down onto the baking tray. So after, then sprinkle salt, black pepper, and drizzle some oil on top. Kindly don't forget to click on the bell to turn on your notification to be notified whenever I post a new video. Whenever you click on the bell, make sure that you click on all notifications, such that all notifications of my videos, you receive them each time I post a new video. Then bake for 10 to 15 minutes or until the tomatoes are brown on top like this. Then we are good to go. Transfer the tomatoes in a blender and blend until everything is smooth. You can decide to make this soup creamy if you want to. You can see how the garlic comes out so nicely when you use this method of baking the whole chunk of garlic. So it comes out so nicely and you don't have to do the hard work of trying to remove the husk before. So blend until everything is smooth and your tomato soup is ready to be served. I serve this with garlic bread. So you can as well decide to make this creamy and add a little bit of heavy cream, or it can as well be coconut cream if you'd love it to be creamy but you want it dairy free. So yeah, and you are good to go. Your soup is ready, your iftar starter is ready this Ramadan, and you serve it. This is how I served it, and it was so yummy and tasty. So if you're a soup lover, then this is a video for you. This is a recipe that you should definitely try. Let me know what you think about my recipes in the comment section. Boost your immunity and warm up yourself in this cold weather with these soups. Until next time, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.